Good morning, everyone. Jason from Hedge Plus with our weekly look at the livestock markets. Cattle has been falling. We have live cattle putting in fresh lows yesterday for their current down move. It's just when the government's saying things like, let's get beef prices down, now they'd remove tariffs against Brazilian beef imports. Argentina trying to get imports from them. We still don't have the border open with Mexico, and I thought that would offer more support to the market. But the big thing is, I think when funds get out of the way, we're not going to be up to date on these managed money, positioning reports for quite a while till we get into January. But let's assume the funds have pulled quite a bit of their length. That doesn't just come screaming back into a market. They don't care what fundamentals say. They look at trends and things like that. And obviously the trend is down right now. So I think we have chances to bounce in this market. You still have a tight beef supply situation. Let's assume though that funds, ramped up this market higher than it needed to go. Now we'll probably swing down lower than we need to go. And that's what we're in the process of doing, as everyone kind of hits the exits. Like I said, there will be bounces. We're still very tight on beef supplies. Cattle on feed report this afternoon expected to show on feed supply at about 98% of last year. Placements at about 92, 93%. So maybe we get a little support there. But we are fighting kind of an uphill battle when the government's making moves to bring down beef prices. So use rallies to make sure you are defensive, whether that means making sales further out or getting help with getting downside coverage in place. That's what I think you should be doing. Hog market, not much better of a situation. Just taking on a little more of a sideways trend the last few days. I think front month contracts, December and February, if they can get back above 80, I still think we get that bounce maybe to 85 area. Again, make sure you're a seller if we do rally. Big problem now is you don't have China needing pork. That's a big, export channel for us. And if that's not happening, our exports aren't down too bad, like 4% compared to last year, but you don't have the spark needed to get anyone really excited about the hog market right now. So I think we get a bounce, but again, make sure you're selling the rallies. I'm looking for 85 in front month contracts to be a pretty aggressive seller if we get back there. Have a good day. We'll be back next week. Thanks.